Smokey Bear and little Marcy. Animals in the forest.
Hello, boys and girls. I'm having lots of fun here in the forest visiting my friend Smokey Bear.
Glad to have you here, Marcy. You're always so good at helping me prevent forest fires.
Oh, I love the forest. I'll always help you, Smokey, because I'd hate to see the forest burn up. Just think what would happen to all our forest friends.
That's why I remind everyone to be very, very careful with fire and to never play with matches.
Oh, look, Smokey. There are your friends, Mr. and Mrs. Brown Bear. Oh, who is that standing by the tree? It must be their new little cub. Isn't he cute? I'll run over and see him.
Wait, Marcy! Wait! Don't walk too close to that little cub. You see, Mother and Daddy Bears are so proud of their little cub bears, they sometimes get very upset when people get too near. You wait here.
In a little white house over there live Mr. and Mrs. Brown Bear. And there by the tree is someone they love. See him, he's their little baby bear cub. Little bear cubs we all love to pet, but Mother Bears get so upset. And though she looks friendly, you'd better beware and leave that baby bear there. Little bear cubs we all love to pet, but Mother Bears get so upset. And though she looks friendly, you'd better beware and leave that baby bear there. Boys and girls, when you are in a forest or park, I hope you'll remember that the bears and other animals are wild. They may look friendly and seem tame, but they are very dangerous. It's fun to watch them, but be sure to stay back and watch from a safe distance. Bears are often very hungry, and when they smell food, they become dangerous. They break into cars, into tents, and even into cabins. So be sure you keep your food in tight containers so the bears can't smell it. And burn all the leftover scraps of food and the paper that the food was wrapped in. Remember what Smokey says about being a litter bug? Now you know another reason for keeping your camp clean.
That's right, Marcy. You know, some people know that they should stay a long way away from big animals, but they don't think about the little animals. They can be dangerous too. Don't ever try to feed any of the animals, big or small. Chipmunks and squirrels are cute and fun to watch, but they can bite you very badly. Sometimes they carry harmful diseases.
Yes, I'll remember not to feed or go near any forest animals. Look, Smokey, there's one of my favorite forest friends. Little Rosebud. I feel so sorry for her. Poor little Rosebud, a lovely skunk is she. She looks so lonely, as anyone can see. She's always alone, just sitting little rosebud. Poor little rosebud. She's cute as she can be, and she would really love to have some company. But nobody cares for the perfume she wears. Poor little rosebud. Poor little rosebud. She is lonely, isn't she?
Well, maybe the next time we see her, she'll be feeling happier.
I hope so. She's so pretty. She makes me think of my cat at home, who's black and white, too.
Yes, but Marcy, wild animals are very different from home pets. They can hurt us very badly. We give our home pets shots to keep them safe from diseases, but wild animals don't have this protection. They can pass on diseases to people.
Oh, Smokey. I thought I saw something move in the bushes there.
Well, let's take a look and see what it is.
Oh, it's a baby deer. I wonder where its mother is. Perhaps he's lost. Maybe we should pick him up and take care of him, Smokey.
No, the best thing to do is to go away and leave the little fawn alone. Usually a fawn's mother is someplace nearby, but hidden where we can't see her. She's probably watching her baby while she's eating and will soon return. Remember, Marcy, enjoy the animals, but watch them from a safe distance. Even deer can be dangerous.
Oh, what's that noise?
Who's that running so fast through the forest? Mr. Deer and his friend Miss Doe. I'd like to follow them all through the forest, but I could never keep up, I know. If I could run with them all through the forest, think of all the things I'd see. But look at the way they go. I'd be much too slow. They'd just run away from me. If I could run with them all through the forest, think of all the things I would see. But look at the way they go. I'd be much too slow. They just run away from me.
Oh, Smokey, those deer were beautiful when they ran. I love to watch all the different kinds of wild animals.
Now you know how to treat wild animals, both big and small. The most important thing is to keep a safe distance away from them. Don't ever try to feed or play with them. Just watch and enjoy them. And of course, I know you'll be especially careful with fire. You wouldn't want to burn up all the animals' homes and food.
Oh, no. I'll be very careful with fire and do just what you say, Smokey.
Thank you, Marcy. I hope you boys and girls will, too. Remember, only you can prevent forest fires.